right? You'll need it.
Your first task is a cake. Come on, I'm waiting. Great, sis.
Okay, honey. Everything is clear for the chef. Appetizing cream cheese. It's perfect for my new culinary masterpiece. I will easily smear all the layers with cream and use a spatula to give it a very original shape. It will be a rainbow cake, which I will decorate with delicious Skittles cream. Wait for it. Here's my special suitcase. I got everything I need.
Oh, like my candy.
There we go. It's a real work of art. When I cook cakes, I feel like an artist who creates a new world. This fantastic rainbow is missing clouds of cream and a pair of cheerful eyes. Voila! Chef is in business. Incredible! I know. And I'll make my own heart-shaped cake and decorate it with Kit Kats because the baby just loves them. Let's put it around the perimeter. But that's not enough. We need more candy for my sweet tooth, Maltesers and Skittles.
Grandma, you're doing great. And here's my masterpiece.
It doesn't look good.
Don't worry, I haven't finished yet. To make a chic decor, I need film and as many sweets as possible. First of all, I'll melt chocolate with my super burner. Yahoo! And now I'll add blue sprinkles. They will look very nice on my cake. Is everyone ready? Let me introduce the future winner to your attention. Wow!
The biggest not victory.
Wow! I want to try Chef's cake first. I like it! I wonder if Grandma's cake is as delicious. Let's try it. Wow! I just love chocolate! Thanks, Grandma! It's cool! Oh, there seems to be something wrong with this cake. I don't like the taste of it. And the winner is… Grandma!
Hooray! Ladies, we have a challenge!
Please, make me some pasta! Wow, this is a cool assignment.
It's clear. I got it.
All we have to do is boil noodles, and that's it. And I'll watch some TikToks for now.
I will also boil pasta. And, sausages for my beloved baby.
Hey!
It's so sweet, Grandma. Let me hug you. And taste the sausage at the same time. Love you.
It's time to boil sausages in boiling water. Oh, where's another one? Is that it? To win a challenge, you need to surprise baby with an unexpected decision. Regular noodles won't work here, so I'll make my own from eggs, milk, and flour. And I won't forget to add dye to the dough. Pink is her favorite color. Now pour dough into a special bottle. Uh-huh. Everything is going according to plan. Perfect. Let's get to work. Oh, goodness! Look at Chef's noodles!
Wow!
Yes, my new noodles are ready and smell delicious. Only sweet syrup is missing. Marmalade bears. Well, and other sweets. Perfection. Oh, you're weird. My spaghetti is ready. Look at those sausages. They're like octopuses. Oh, fire!
Oh no!
Where's our fire extinguisher?
Oh, there's so much foam! What? Oh no! All my noodles are burnt! Wait. There's a life hack. We can make instant noodles in a kettle. There we go.
Come on.
I'm definitely a genius. Interesting. Oh. What is that? These noodles are not tasty at all. Oh. Wow! Oh, what a beauty! My mouth is watering. Let's try it. Wow! Thanks, Chef. Okay.
You're welcome.
Look at these funny sausages. I love these. So yummy. Ooh, and this is really good. That's the winner.
Yes! I'm so glad! A hug!
Your new assignment is a milkshake.
I'll cook it in no time. I'll try.
Ooh, I'm a master at this. First, we need to take ice cream and mix it with milk in a blender. Let's go. Opening milk, pouring it in, and blending it. Oh, I'm sorry, Grandma.
You forgot about the lid, so everything spilled.
An idea. Let's see what's in my backpack. What? There's nothing? Uh-huh. Here's my special cocktail gadget. I just need to throw in my favorite candy and some marshmallows. It will be very tasty. The only thing missing is soda.
Honey!
Oops. I'm sorry. That was an accident. Now, everything is ready. My sister will be delighted. Bingo! Grandma? Where are you going?
I need to pick raspberries for my cocktail. Oh, what a fragrance! This berry wants to get in my mouth.
Look! I'm the chef!
Bravo, Nicole!
Oh! Cool, Granny!
Leave it for the baby! Okay, how does this blender work? I don't understand anything. Better to use my proven method.
Nice.
Uh-huh. And smashing it! Oh, wonderful. Now pouring in some fresh milk. And mixing it to make a raspberry cocktail. Well, 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 what a beauty! And the color! Some mint on top?
That looks too simple. I need to come up with something. For example…
Who turned on the light?
Are you afraid of the dark? Ha!
What?
Oh, I'm sorry, Chef.
That's hilarious!
Excuse me. I present to your attention the recipe for the perfect cocktail. Ice cream, milk, Oreos, and blending it all up. I will serve it in this gorgeous chocolate egg, along with cream and candy. There we go. Time for some decor. Voila!
Come on.
That is great! Wow! This cocktail looks unusual. I think I need to press somewhere. Wow! Let's see. Oh, this is really cool. Everything for you, pretty girl. I don't really like this cocktail. And there's also mint. Ugh, no, thanks.
No.
What a pity!
Wow, wow, wow! What a blast! This is so good!
Oh, mercy!
This egg is also very tasty. It is decided. Chef is the winner.
Oh, yes! Oh, thank you!
And now she's asking for a pile of pancakes. No question.
Hey, Grandma, wake up! We need to make pancakes!
Oh, I know how to do that. Grandma and Chef kneaded the dough so quickly that no one even noticed it. And now they're frying pancakes.
It looks delicious, but I can do better. I'll add some food coloring to the dough. There'll be different colors.
Wow, Andy decided to please the baby with something unusual. Look what a bright colored dough he has. It'll be very tasty and beautiful. Oh, you're so sloppy, Andy. And in general, pancakes are best with some maple syrup and a piece of butter. This is a simple, proven over the years recipe. Pancakes with maple syrup? This will not surprise anyone. Here's a serving of pancakes from a professional. I'll need an egg for that. This recipe is called poached egg. It is necessary to boil water in a saucepan and break the egg directly into the water. And while it's cooking, I'll take slices of ham and leaves of greens. And I'll put it all beautifully between the pancakes. It's time for the baby to appreciate the efforts of the participants of the challenge. First from Andy. They're simply delicious, especially in combination with marshmallows. And now let's try pancakes from Grandma. They look pretty simple, however very tasty. And pancakes from the chef look unusual, but the raw yolk of a poached egg is disgusting. The baby did not appreciate it. And the victory goes to Andy.
Yeah, I won!
Let me fix it for you. Don't touch it, Grandma. Attention everyone, the baby wants a juicy steak. No question. Grandma can do it. Are you sure? Yeah.
Okay.
I'll be fine.
That's it. We take it and fry it, nothing complicated. How can you fry without oil? You need to lubricate the grill pan thoroughly.
Yeah, I'm going to add oil too.
Oh, Andy, don't add so much oil. And of course you should try to get oil in the pan. Now we throw a piece of meat into a frying pan and fry it. Wow! Impressed?
Absolutely. Oh, I can do it too.
Of course, Andy, the main thing is not to miss the frying pan.
I didn't miss.
Oh, young man, watch and learn. By the way, my steak is almost ready. Now you can also add some salt. Cool throw.
Big deal. Grandma, look, I'm going to give you a lift now. Look, I'm like a real chef.
No.
Oh no! It fell on the floor.
Yes, and it collected hair and dirt, and it's also raw and undercooked.
Maybe she won't notice.
Oh my god.
Oh, you can't serve a dish like that.
I don't know what to do. I'll pour more ketchup. It'll hide all the flaws. That's it.
It smells great. Oh, thank you, Mia. My steak is really beautiful. It remains to add springs and rosemary as a decoration. And that's all your decoration, Grandma? I know something better. Mia knows the secret of the famous golden steak. It'll be a real golden steak like in the most expensive restaurant. Meat should be cut with a sharp knife so as not to spoil the appearance of the steak. Oh, that's how it is. I didn't know it. Ready? Now you can serve it. Finally, you can try the dishes. Meat with ketchup does not cause the baby's appetite. Just look at it. You can see the hair and dirt. And the golden steak. I wonder if the baby will taste it. It seems delicious, but Not impressive. Grandma's steak smells delicious, and most of all, it came to the baby's liking. Simple and no frills, but what a taste! Grandma's steak undoubtedly takes the first place. I've won! Hooray! It's time to eat dessert, and the baby wants to eat ice cream. Oh, I know the recipe. It's fried ice cream. Oh, Grandma can make ice cream?
Nothing complicated.
So what is in the recipe? You need to chop it into small pieces. Okay.
How beautiful! Now I'm going to chop it into pieces too. Easy as pie. I like chopping ice cream.
Watch your knives, young man, and don't throw food around the kitchen.
Ugh, got carried away. Sorry, Grandma.
That's what happens when amateurs get to work. Meanwhile, I have already prepared everything. It remains to complete the dish with a beautiful serving. Everything turned out perfectly. I'll decorate the ice cream with lemon zest. The sour taste of lemon is perfectly combined with the sweetness of ice cream. Some mint leaves and some smoke of dry ice. This is how ice cream is served in the most refined restaurants. Just look at this. Incredible.
Wow!
Grandma also prepared everything. Cut and twist. It's not really working out. The ice cream stuck. Okay, let's just put some chocolate syrup on top.
No.
That's funny.
I'm almost done too. Nothing complicated. Now I'll put in a bowl and decorate it with whipped cream. I love it. I'll have much more for the baby. And now I'll sprinkle some Rainbow Skittles candies, a sugar straw for beauty, and some Oreo cookies.
Please.
Grandma, will you let me?
Okay.
Ah, thank you. Now I'm going to pour chocolate syrup.
Oh, so much sugar.
Oh yeah.
Let's see what the baby thinks. The colored ice cream from my brother looks incredibly beautiful, but the gorgeous presentation from the chef struck the baby more. Time to try it. Oh, lemon zest is too sour. Ice cream slices and chocolate syrup looks unappetizing, but it tastes nothing unusual. Finally, it's time to try the ice cream from the brother. Whipped cream, sugar straws, and Skittles. Incredibly delicious combination. And the winner is… brother.
Yeah! I knew it! Grandma, let me hug you!
Everyone concentrate. We continue our culinary duel. The next request is a croissant. The French really like to eat croissants with coffee for breakfast. Oh, Grandma, are you from France? Do you know how to cook croissants? Grandma knows everything. They can be put in the oven and let's wait for it to cook.
I can do that too! 1 second and let's bake!
Well done, grandson. I don't approve of frozen dough. Cooking it yourself is not so difficult. By the way, our chef Mia has worked in the best restaurants in Paris and knows the oldest recipe for croissants. According to the recipe, dishes were prepared for Louis himself, the King of France. Therefore, the baby is waiting for a truly royal dessert. And the brother and grandmother watched the chef actions in amazement. How deftly she kneaded the dough, laid it out in layers, and twisted it. What a skill! It remains only to put it in the oven and wait.
I won't be able to cook so cool, but I'll add Nutella to my croissants. Oh, my favorite chocolate nut paste. Delicious.
Oh, what kind of manners? It's time to get their croissants. How wonderful and rosy. Andy?
Look! You're on fire! Oh no! Not that!
The brother got carried away with Nutella and his croissants burned down. Yes, the chocolate paste is really very tasty. Don't worry, you're doing great. Yeah, croissants are baked. It's time to start serving. I need an incision and you can pour out prepared cream. I'll add strawberries and I'll decorate the dish with powdered sugar on top. Voila! Everything is ready. Now we can try it. Burnt croissants from the brother look terrible. Yeah, it's not worth trying them. Oh, what a smell! Croissants from Grandma are delicious, sweet, and so nice. Our baby really liked it. Wow, strawberry, sweet cream, and delicious dough made according to the royal recipe. Without a doubt, croissants from the chef take the first place.
Oh, thank you.
I knew that.
Guys! all, I want French fries.
Of course.
Easy.
I'll make that too. First of all, I need potato. I think this one will be perfect. By the way, I have a gadget for peeling vegetables. Check it out. And we're not even gonna make our hands dirty. Now, time to cut it. Awesome!
Wow. Oh,
Cool.
Grandma doesn't have gadgets, but I can handle this task. Eating fried potatoes is bad for you. I'd better cook a sweet vegetable treat for my granddaughter. These veggies are very fresh and fragrant. I'm sure she will like it. Whoa! Take care! Wednesday's experimenting with food again.
Cool.
Don't panic. I just peel the potatoes the way I know how. Fast and fun.
Isn't it dangerous? Oh, it's better to do everything carefully, so as not to hurt your fingers. Enid, your gadget worked perfectly here. Now, we're gonna make a branded logo. How about that? Beautiful! Here are my carrots. Oh, Wednesday!
I also need to cut my potatoes.
Wednesday, no need to use a saw!
I'm done. Now, it's time to give my dish the right color. I'll add a couple of black rose petals and cast a spell.
The potatoes turned black. And my potatoes look like they're having party. Wow! Let's use some colorful spray. I will have rainbow French fries for the baby. How cool and cute it turned out. Now, let's pour ketchup into a heart shape.
Beautiful! Oh, Wednesday, your potatoes are like holes.
You think so? Then, I will build a black Dracula castle. It's going to be incredibly beautiful. Mesmerizing.
Oh my.
How original!
Thanks. And here's the bloody ketchup. No need for applause. Enjoy your meal.
Wow! I want a rainbow. It's so beautiful. I hope it's also delicious. Wow! Incredible! Look at my tongue.
Cool.
I like it. Well, moving on.
Okay.
It looks more like carrots. Oh, definitely carrots. Well, it's so, Grandma. Sorry. Moving on. Wow! I've never seen a French fries castle before. It's fantastic. I'll eat it with pleasure. This is amazing. And ketchup fits perfectly. Well, the winner is Wednesday!
Oh, yes. Stop it.
Please, make me a burger.
Of course, honey.
Okay.
Great assignment. Ordinary buns are boring. It's better to take bright black ones and make a burger like a monster. Cutting it in half, putting salad, some ketchup, of course. Tomato juice and ketchup, it's so similar to blood. Yes, don't worry, Grandma. I do feel like a vampire, though. Well, moving on. I need to fry a cutlet. It's like stone. I know. I'm going to need dynamite. They're actually scared. Well, time for a little explosion. Wednesday, you scared us! I'm sorry. I had to fry a cutlet. Yep, perfect.
Yes.
Now, I'm going to make teeth out of cheese. Nice. And my favorite hot pepper. It will make great ears. Thing? Yes, perfect.
Thanks.
That's exactly what I was missing. My burger is ready.
Whoa!
Yes.
What should I make a burger out of?
Okay.
Oh, thank you, Grandma. That's so horrible. It's disgusting.
What?
Everything is great.
Well done!
Wow, marshmallows. That's exactly what I need. Let's put a marshmallow into the microwave. It will double in size.
Oh my.
Hooray! Check it out! Oh, how hot it is! Thank you for the support, Grandma. I love you too. Now we need to cut it into 2 pieces. Next goes the Nutella. It's also pink, my favorite color. Moving on. Blue chocolate. This is awesome. My mouth is already watering. Adding some rainbow marmalade. Wow! And the second bun. I just love Skittles. You know what? We will have a cute unicorn. Do you like it? Oh, my unicorn box. Everything is perfect.
Cool.
Wednesday, you've got a monster! Okay, I'm going to make a burger out of this beautiful meat. Let's fry it in a frying pan. Next comes mayonnaise. Oh, and there's even a chicken. Moving on, salad, tomatoes. They're super fresh. Oh, this patty. My granddaughter is gonna be so happy. Some cheese, some ketchup. I gotta be careful. Well, my burger is ready. I'm going to put it in my branded box. Everything is done with love.
Hooray! Whoa! What kind of monster is this? Does it bite? No, I'm not going to eat such a scary burger. I'd rather enjoy the sweet burger from Enid. Wow! That's great! I love it! Incredible, Enid! Moving on! Oh, only Grandma cooked for me what I asked for! It's so yummy! You're the winner, Grandma!
Oh, yes!
And now, please, make me a milkshake!
Oh, yes!
It'll be done.
You've come to the right place! Let's see. I'll need a special gadget for milk and ice cream. Pouring it in. Check it out! Oh, it's so frozen! Oops. Well, the scoop is a little dirty now. But no one seems to have noticed it. Wow. Awesome. Closing the lid and blending it. Now I'm gonna decorate my glass. We're gonna need sweet sprinkles. And… wait a minute. I need to glue it somehow.
Okay.
This'll do. Rolling it around. And pouring my milkshake in. Some nerds candy. Pretty. Okay, I won't just eat it. Even though they're so good. Mixing it well. And… of course, whipped cream on top. I absolutely love it! Let's add some decorations. I've got a cute unicorn now. I am done. Thank you, Grandma. What about you?
Oh, you're right. I forgot about my cocktail. We need milk and chocolate ice cream. Then I will add a chocolate bar. My granddaughter will be happy. Are you all ready? Take care. Grandma will whip up everything. Oh, I'm tired.
Poor Grandma. Wait, I have a blender for you. Here you go, Grandma.
Oh, thanks, honey. We need to put everything in there. Pouring it in and turning it on. Oh, it's a little powerful.
Cool.
Well, everything seems to be ready. Where's the whipped cream? Enid, I really need this, sweetie. Look, what's in there? Better. Don't be greedy, kid. And let's grate some chocolate right on top. It's much better this way.
I prefer green pistachio ice cream. Look at this color. I won't need a blender. Actually, I have my own. Where is it? There we go. Stunning. Everything is ready. Here's my glass that looks like a skull. Pouring strawberry syrup onto it. Oh, it's giving me the right vibe. Thing, bring me some whipped cream.
Oh! It's so ticklish! Oh! I can't! Oh!
Thing, good job. Let's pour it right on top. Yes. I love different colors, and I love eyes. Well, okay, gummy eyes. And here are the rest of the details for my little monster. Done.
Wow! Who is this creature? What a delicious and funny drink! I like it! And there are even gummies here! Wow! Thank you, Wednesday!
No worries.
Ooh, I recognize the unicorn from Enid! Awesome! I love it! Wait, what's in my mouth? Whose hair is that? Jeez, how disgusting! I can't drink such a smoothie! What about this chocolate milkshake? Yum! Who should I choose? Grandma wins!
Me? Hooray!
I'm happy.